what I had told in today's class. Commenting. What do you mean of this comment? Hash means how to represent Boolean. Boolean values. How to represent Boolean? What do you mean of Boolean value? I told you that there are two values in Boolean, false and true. In English, yes or no. So in programming, we will get such a situation in that whether anything is new or old. So if student, it is concerning with the student, whether the student is new. If I have assigned false value, what do you mean of this? Means student is not new. If I assign this value with true, means this variable is assigned with true. Means what? Means what?
It's a variable.
Whenever student is new, okay, there are only two conditions, two values for Boolean values. Okay, one is true or false. So please say from your side, explain one example from your side.
Japan and Peru are the first sunrising countries in the planet Earth. Is equal to true.
Country. We need to create a variable, na? Country. Sun rises. Okay. Sunrise. Country, sunrise. Okay. We need to do it very short, na? Sunrise. Underscore Japan. Okay. So we need to understand Japan, sunrise country. Japan, sunrise. We need to create a variables meaningful. Okay. Underscore sunrise Japan first. Sunrise underscore Japan first. So what is the value we need to assign here? What is the value we need to assign here? Boolean value. True. Means this is the right. So once a Boolean value assigned, not only any Boolean value, any value assigned to a variable, it means what? It means what? If any value, whenever you kept is equal to, means one variable is created. So what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? A memory location is labeled. A memory location is whenever variable is created, the interpreter, translator program understood that one memory location is labeled, named with this.
One memory location is labeled with this.
Normally memory locations are numbered. We in programming computer memory locations are numbered. They will start from a number. Take any number. Suppose assume that 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, like that. Memory locations. But if we want to store any value in memory location, that memory location must be labeled. So whenever you create a variable, computer, this Python translator program means interpreter, it will understand that one memory location is numbered, memory location is named. So how do you know that memory location? How do you know that memory location?
By variable, with the help of variables.
by calling up that variable. So how can we call that variable?
How can we call it variable? With the name, Daddy, like student name.
How can you say na syntax?
Like exegete.
Syntax. I need syntax. My question is that one variable is created. One variable is created. So means a memory location is named with that variable name. So now I want to know that memory location where that where this data is stored. I want to know that because this data true, it is a Boolean value stored in this variable. That variable is named for a memory location. So now I would like to know that where is that memory, what is the memory location? One function I told you that.
ID.
ID function. So what is the syntax?
Syntax nothing that is. Grip right time.
Whenever you want to get the printout, simply print out. You want to see on the screen. You want to get the result. Simple function. That is the common function. You blindly say. You want to see any result on the screen. Blindly you say. That is the general function we mostly use. If you want to see anything on the screen, if you want to see on the result on the screen, many times I told you that simple function I told you that. Many times we are using that. This general function, common function. What is that function? You want to see on the result on the screen. Print. Okay. Next. You told that if we want to know the memory location, which function?
Variables.
In that variable data is stored. That variable is a name of a memory location. I want to know that memory location. In number. How can you store Japan? You told me that memory location, we have taken the memory location as 1000 initially. Next 1001, next 1002. So at 1000 memory location you have stored an integer data. At 1001 you have stored 0.25. At 1002 you told me that to store Japan. Japan is what? Text type of data. Means it is called what?
Text type of data.
Called what? Text type data is called as?
Variable.
Text type of data is called as string. So how can you represent string? In double quotes or single quotes?
Double quotes.
Huh? Single quotes or double quotes? Next, take one more location. Next location. What is the next location?
Decimal and float range.
What is the memory location? Next memory location?
1003.
Now which type of data you want to store here?
Sun gets first on Japan.
How many types of data I briefed you in Python?
Integers, float.
Integer, float.
Strings.
Next,
Strings.
string is over. Next,
This one. Boolean.
Boolean.
Japan. So
Boolean, which value you want to store? True. Okay. These are data types. Next, what is the remaining data?
1004.
1004 is what? This is what?
Memory location.
Next, which type of data you want to store here? Remaining data is what? Complex. Okay. Complex. How can you represent complex number?
Root of 1 plus 2y.
4j. Okay. In complex number 4 plus I. Here I will not be taken. So 4j plus, okay, 4j. This is the complex number. Now see, how can you call these numbers? How can you call these numbers?
See, no, 26. How can you call these numbers, Daddy?
I want to see on the screen.
These numbers. No, wait. ఇది ఇంటిజర్, ఇది ఫ్లోట్, ఇది స్ట్రింగ్స్, ఇది బోలియన్.
So let us do in practically on the screen. Okay. So what is your memory location? What is your memory location?
1001, right?
First, what is the first memory location? What is your first memory location?